Hello and welcome to tutorial number 37 in the Microsoft Visual Basic .NET programming tutorials. And in this tutorial we're sort of taking a break from all the hard stuff, and this is going to be a little fun tutorial. It's going to be how to collect various pieces of information about your computer. So we're going to create an application that will take 6 pieces of information from your computer and put it into text boxes. So go ahead and create a new project and just call it computer info. Okay, now first of all, before we start creating an application, I'm going to just try and explain to you how you would get a piece of information for your computer. So just add the button and double click it, and inside the button we're going to say messagebox.show, and to get information about your computer you'd simply say my.computer and then you have a whole list of things like audio, clipboard, whatever, and it's all different things. And we're just going to say my.computer.name to test it. And you might laugh when you see my computer name. Here we go, don't hacks me. Pretty good computer name there. Well, anyway, that is how you get computer information, and I'm going to be showing you how to get various pieces of information from your computer. So go ahead and we'll change the text of this button to get information. Make it a bit bigger, and let's give the form a name: computer information application. It rhymes. I'm just going to change the start position to center screen and the form border style to fixed tool window because I like that better. Okay, so when you've done that, I'm going to show you how to clear text boxes as well. So add another button and say clear. Okay, so now when we've got this, we can add a group box. So let's add a nice big group box there. This will hold all our information in. And now we can start adding the labels and text boxes. So add the first label, and we're going to say computer name. And by the way, a little cool trick what you can do, instead of just clicking this and clicking here, you can actually just double click and it'll just appear right there. So next one, it's going to be your username. Whoops, ignore that, don't do that. So second label, username. Third label is going to be the OS name. Fourth label is going to be, it's going to check if caps lock is on you, so say caps lock on. That's going to return true or false. And then we're going to have another one that's going to say if the mouse wheel, mouse has a mouse wheel, so mouse wheel. It's going to check if you have a wheel on your mouse. And we're going to say the last one's going to be the working area, and that's going to be, it's the size of your whole desktop or whatever without the taskbar. So change the text to working area. Okay, so now we're going to add 6 text boxes, and you need to make sure like number 1, text box 1 is at the top. If you don't do this, it's going to import information in the wrong places. The second one is second, third one is third, etc. Sorry about the delay, just trying to make this all professional and neat or whatever. Okay, so when you've set up all this, finally, we're ready to start doing the coding. So let's just resize this a bit, make it look a bit more professional, and double click the button get information. Now you might have this message box that show here, just delete this, you don't need that anymore. And now we're ready to start coding. So first of all was the computer name, and with the computer name we're using textbox1, so we'll say textbox1.text equals my.computer.name. And we know what this is, my.computer, we just went over it right then, so if you don't know what it is, go back. And next one is going to be the username, and this we don't actually use my.computer, so we use my.name, oh sorry, my.user it is, .name, and that's to get the username. And all the others are going to use my.computer. Now, textbox3 is the OS name, and to get this we type my.computer.info. And we can use OS name, OS platform, OS version. We're just going to say OS full name. Okay, now the next one is going to return a true or false value, which is it's going to check if caps lock is on. So textbox4.text equals my.computer and we can use just type keyboard and then just say, if you see here, it's got a list of things we can add. Just say caps lock. Textbox5 is the mouse wheel, so say textbox5.text equals my.computer and you guessed it, mouse, and then wheel exists. And then finally for textbox6, this is to get the working area of our computer. We're going to say my.computer and you guessed it, .screen.working area .toString. And that's just going to get all of the information and put it into these text boxes. So let's debug this. Maybe get information. A few seconds, there we go. Now you'll see that the computer name, don't hacks me, username, don't hacks me, Christopher, OS name, Windows XP, Home Edition, here's my working area, and if I turn caps lock on, I'll prove this by just typing here, we get information, and caps lock on changes to true. So, and oh, I've almost forgot the clear button. So if we go back and let's just give this group box a name, a text, and the group box will be information. So if we double click on clear, all we type is textbox1.clear, textbox2.clear, and all the way to textbox6. Textbox5.clear and textbox6.clear. And something we can also do is make all of these read only, so you can't actually edit them in. So we can go down here and go to read only true. Just trying to spice this up a bit, add some more things you can do, teach you some little tricks along the way. So once you've set them all to read only, you've got clear sorted. Let's try that out again. Get information, and here's all our information, and if you clear it all clears. So that's just a little tutorial on how to create your very own application that will display computer information. And if you want to get any other computer information that I haven't listed here, all you need to type is my. And once I'm at a dot, you can see down here, you can say my.computer and it'll come up with audio, clipboard, clock, and let's just type I don't know, keyboard again, and dot, and it'll say like control key down, num lock, scroll lock, and it'll just give you a list of stuff that you can check out on your computer. And you can just message box it all to see what it is. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment. If you have any suggestions or requests, leave a comment, and please rate the video and subscribe. Thanks.